Is this your first time joining the Lin Eyes? Wow, it's her first time. What a brave young girl. A round of applause for Lin Ai, candidate number 6. Wow. I think you also have your parents here tonight, right? Yes, you have your parents. What can you say to your parents here tonight?
First of all, I just want to say thank you to God. And of course to my family, that moral support of this Lin Ai pageant. And my friends to support here for this night.
Wow, thank you so much again. What a brave young lady. Are you ready to answer your question?
Yes, of course.
Yes, of course. She is confident and brave. And now you may now pick the last question from the bowl. Again, you may read it once to our audience, and I will read it twice again. Then you can answer your question right after.
If a tourist asks you why they would visit Thailand, what would you proudly tell them in one inspiring message?
All right, I want you to relax and answer this question with all of your heart. The question goes, if a tourist asks you why they should visit Carlex, what would you proudly tell them in one inspiring message? Again, if a tourist asks you why they should visit Carlex, what would you proudly tell them in one inspiring message?
Promoting Carles. Visit Carles where crystal clear, water meets golden shores, and fresh shepherds fills every table, and our people delight. Visit Carles, and I proudly say, the islands of Carles are beyond its beautiful grace, and I thank you.
Thank you so much, Governor number 6.